Ichiran is by far the most popular place for tourists to eat ramen in Japan, and it's about time I've said my piece. You order from a big beautiful touchscreen vending machine that has English and other languages, so that's nice. The switchboard on the wall tells you what booths are open, so head in where the staff tells you and enjoy your own private ramen booth. At Ichiran, you don't have to talk to anybody. You order with a sheet of paper. I went with normal dashi, normal thickness, a whole clove of garlic because I'm a gentleman, green onion, pork chashu, and 4 times spicy as I thought that would be a decent medium level, and firm noodles. So far, the accessibility is on point, so I respect that, and I definitely see the appeal. You press the button and the staff will take your ticket, and soon enough, they'll arrive with your bowl. And just as fast as they appeared, they'll leave with a bow and leave you to eat your ramen. First impressions. The garlic smell is impressive, and it definitely looks like a pretty bowl, but here's where you guys might get mad at me. The flavor is just okay. It's a ramen chain. It's not going to be next level, and for 980 yen, there are way better bowls out there. But, with that being said, if you're a first timer in Japan and you're nervous about ordering or speaking in public, this is absolutely an experience for you. They even have little blocks that you can give the staff to communicate with. If you don't speak Japanese, it's absolutely no problem.